Hey everyone, it's Jackie here, and for today's video, gagawa tayo ng oregano cough syrup. And it's for me kasi I'm coughing. So this is my plant, indoor plant, dito lang sa loob. And let's take all the leaves on this plant. Sa susunod naman yung sa isang pot. I have 2 pots of oregano. Kalbuhin na natin. Madali naman siyang tumubo eh. In few days, meron naman siyang bagong mga dahon. Ayan. And let's get more. Make sure na enough for the day. I don't like taking medicines, kaya let's use this. Ayan. So now, let's wash. Make sure to wash properly, lalo na if the oregano is coming from your backyard or nakatanim sa labas ng bahay. Tanggal lahat yung mga dust or kung ano man ang nandyan sa mga dahon-dahon. Okay, that's it. So now we have to blanch. We have to blanch for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Seconds I mean. Yung malanta lang siya para madali siyang mapiga. Pwede ring steam but blanching is easier. There we go. We have to take all the leaves. Make sure na walang na-drain lahat yung tubig para pure na yung juice lang ng oregano ang natitira. Wala akong pangpiga na yung cloth, so we have to use this one, my method. So mainit pa, so I will have to use a spoon. Press muna para makuha natin lahat ng juice. And mainit, hindi pa kaya ng kamay. So, let's strain. Mas madali pag meron kayo yung cloth na yung pampiga talaga. And this usually strainer kasi itong meron ako. But it works the same naman. Mainit. Make sure to get all the juice. Yan ang kailangan natin. You don't have to buy your own cough syrup pagka meron kang tanim na oregano. Ayan. There you go. More than enough yan. Parang mga 8 scoops naman yan eh. So, add na natin ang pure honey. Make sure that you have the pure honey. And depende sa'yo kung gaano kadami ang gusto mong ilagay. Since konti lang naman, mga 8 spoons lang naman yung nakuha natin juice. I'll just add 2 spoons of pure honey. Depende sa'yo kung gusto mo mas matamis. Pero sa akin, 2 spoon is more than enough. Pwede rin yung lagyan, dagdagan ng garlic, yung garlic juice and onion juice para mas matapang. But for me, I don't like the taste. So, oregano lang and honey is enough for me. Yan, mix. And take it every 2 hours. Or, you can take it anytime you want. Depende sa severity ng inyong cough. And make sure guys, don't give this to kids below 1 year old. They cannot take honey. Shouldn't be taking any honey under 1 year old. So, yan guys ang ating cough syrup. Simple and cheap. Wala ka nang gagastusin. So, thank you very much. Have a good day everyone. Bye-bye.